Hello guys, how you doing? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went to Michael's, right? I did. I took the Hags and we took the Hubber and we went to Michael's. So I just want to show you real quick what I got because I grabbed a few things. One, I got a paper pad. I practically had to chase down a 10-year-old and beat her over the head to get this paper pad. Because, see, what happened was I was looking at it, and I was like, oh, yeah, I like this paper pad. So I had it sit on the top of the rack, and I went to reach for another pad, and she ran up on the side of the rack, grabbed it, and ran away. And I was like, which one was it? And I couldn't remember, so I chased her down in the store, and Hags was kind of very upset with me for it. But and, of course, Hubbard was like, what is she doing? Is she really going to chase some kid down? And then there was this other lady in there, and I was like, I can't find it. I don't remember which one it was. And she was like, did you lose your pad? And I was like, some little kid just stole it. She goes, oh, I had to beat that child. Obviously a paper crafter, right? She understands my pain, man. And then Hags looks at me and says, do you feel better now? You vented. No, I want to go beat this kid up. But I did finally find her, and it was this pad, and they did have another one, so I just want to show it to you guys since I chased some little kid down to get it. I just love this. It's like it looks like it's tufted upholstery, very pretty. Love the strips, the marble. Look at these butterflies and all the cut aparts. Look at the cut aparts are cool, right? Love it. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. Can you guys see that shine and shimmer? Yes, you can. I like this. It's like flowers in a paisley pattern. Kind of cool. You got some wood grain. I love wood grain. I don't know what it is, but I like it. And then they got these little butterflies here, a little bit of sparkle and some flowers. And then lots of roses and more cut aparts. And this like pink marble and some more wood and more flowers and more butterflies and more wood. And then more little flowers, and then like more marble with gold in it, and then more flowers. And I just liked it. I don't know. It's dark and it's pretty at the same time. So I liked it. So I grabbed it. Okay. So this is my sad, sad story. So this is my jar. And I have a whole bunch of them. I keep them up here on the side of my desk, and I have all my stuff in them. You know, I got my dominoes and my thread spools and buttons and stuff. And so I had this jar, and it was full of my paper flowers. And I had a bunch of flowers in here that were like from Michael's, and you know, they weren't highly expensive, but you know, I had a bunch of flowers in here, and I had a bunch of primas in here and things like that. And my granddaughter was over to visit, and her and her friend wanted to do some mixed media, and I was like, yeah, go ahead. And usually I don't have a problem. Oogie's got her own primas to play with. I'm playing, there's hot glue on it, sorry. She has her own primas to play with, so I usually don't worry too much. But her friend wanted to know if she could use some flowers. And I said, yeah, go ahead, help yourself. And this used to be that you couldn't get the lid on this thing. Like, you couldn't press it down. And when this little girl was done, she had used half a jar of my flowers, including all of my primas. She used every prima I had in here, every single one of them. And she left me the not-so-nice ones. Yeah. And there's one prima left in the whole jar. And then she was like, I don't like this. I think I'm just going to throw it away. I was like, no, you're not. You're taking that home to your mother. You made it for your mom. You used all my prima flowers. You're taking it home. So I had to get some new flowers. So we were in the store, and I saw these paper flowers. They were recollections, but they're stinking cute. And the Hags and I liked them, so I grabbed them so we could put them into jars so we had them to play with. I don't use them that often, but, you know, but they're kind of cool because they have like this gold writing on them. So in the jar with them, I'm going to put them in the jar. In the jar. Come on, everybody get in the jar. So I got these. See that one? He just dove for his life. All right, so we're filling the jar back up. I like filling the jar. So we got those. And then we saw these butterflies, and the butterflies were ridiculous, because they're recollections, and recollections is expensive. Well, I mean, it's like they're not high quality. They're just expensive. But we saw these butterflies, and they were like really pretty, and we didn't get them because they were like 10 butterflies in the package. But we found these, and they're like newspaper print ones, and they come in like vintage and like regular new newspaper. So we grabbed those, and so I'm going to put these in the jar. We're all going to watch the flowers go flying everywhere. So I'm going to put these in the jar so that I can fill my jar back up. I'm going to have to go over to Tuesday morning tomorrow and get some of those little bird ones because they're cheaper than Prima, but they're pretty. Okay, so I got flowers back in the jar. All right, now the jar is almost full again. I feel better. I know. It's like I want to beat little kids up, right? I don't want to beat up little children. But I do. All right, what else did I buy? Lots of wasted paper because it's Michael's. Okay, so they had stuff on clearance, and so I grabbed this. This is from Seven Gypsies, and you guys know I love Seven Gypsies. What can I say? So this is their ephemera objects, and of course the inside covers, workable. And then there's some stickers in here, lots more like labels. I like those. And then there's some sheet stickers in here, and some more stickers, and there's some letters, and more letters, and more. That's like a piece of paper actually. And then there's like more paper, and then there's some more like cut apart cards, and then there's some more, and then this, which is like a textured paper. It's really cool. That's in there. And then there's more of this. So I don't know. I'll probably scan most of this and use this as a giveaway, but it's really cool. I kind of liked it, so I grabbed it. It was only a couple of bucks. What can I say? And then I saw these, and these are from Recollections. And I wanted to see what they were, so I grabbed them, and I'm going to be taking this apart and deconstructing it and figuring out exactly what it is, and then I'll share it with you guys. But I grabbed a couple of those so that I could tear them apart, because the first one just doesn't work. I tear it apart, and then I forget how I tore it apart, so I have to look at the other one to see how to put it back together. So that was it. That's kind of all I got at the Tuesday morning. I feel like I'm missing something. So I got some flowers, and those things, and that thing, and the paper. Oh, and an orange soda for the hags, because she likes orange soda. So I got an orange soda. That's it, guys. That was all I got at the Tuesday morning. So until the next time, do me a favor, if you would please hit the red button that's down there someplace and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got neat stuff coming up. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.